Okay, hello. Welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian. Welcome to English with Adrian, helping you to expand your English, increase your confidence, and speak like a native Englishman. Today, let's look at these compound nouns. What are they exactly? So compound nouns are two plus nouns that work together to create a single word, to create something new. The first changes the second, just how an adjective changes the noun. So the first noun changes the second one, just how an adjective changes a noun in general. An adjective like tall, short, fat, slow, thin, no, tired, oh, tired or hungry. Yeah. So two nouns can go together to mean something. Two nouns, yeah. I'm going to play table tennis. Table, tennis, tennis. Yeah. There is a meeting in the town hall. There's a meeting. A meeting in the town hall. They're going to talk about something. A meeting in the town hall. Definitely, yeah. Where is the ticket office? An office to get tickets. An office, ticket office. Where? Where is the car park? Where's the car park? I don't know. Don't know. So these two words put together: table tennis, town hall, ticket office, car park. Car park. Park the car. Honk honk. Yeah. The first noun is usually singular, even if the meaning is plural. So if one, the first noun is always going to be singular, only one, even if the rest of the compound word is going to be plural. Car parks, for example. Car, just one car, parks. Where's the car park? I'm looking for the car parks in the area. Are there any car parks in the area? Um, where is the nearest town hall? Ah, where is there a ticket office nearby? I'm looking for a ticket office. I have published a picture book. There are loads of picture books. Loads of picture books. There are town halls all across the country. Don't eat on the kitchen table. Don't put food on the kitchen tables. None of them. Put it on the dining table. Did he win the cycle race? How many cycle races has he won? How many races has he won? How many cycle races has he won? Ah. Cycle, always single. The first one, always single. Second one, plural. To talk about more than one. So some compound words are written as two separate words with a hyphen or joined together. There are no clear rules on this. Toothbrush. Bus stop, waiting for the bus. Six pack. Six pack of the chest, but also a beer. Likewise, car parks, two separate ones. Ticket office, two separate. Six pack. There's no clear rules on this, so it's generally at your discretion. Generally, I guess they're either going to be combined as one, toothbrush, or separate, bus stop. It depends, but there's no clear rules, so a bit mysterious that is. But long compound nouns, two plus nouns can be joined together to modify it. I came first in the table tennis tournament. Table tennis tournament. Table tennis tournament. Ah. So table tennis, the sport, the activity, the fun, the hobby. Tournament. This achieving the first prize, getting it and winning, being awesome at it. Yeah. Yeah. The ringleader. The ringleader will be here. Like this, the leader of the gangs, of the criminals will be here. Yeah, it's insane. Yeah. But two nouns together conjoined to modify it. Table tennis tournament. The ringleader will be here. Yeah. But look, plural compound nouns are made with the final when the final noun is plural. Yeah. So even though it could be plural by itself, the rest of the sentence has to be in a plural form to make it actually a plural. A lot of plurals. The summer party was funny. Summer parties happen in July and August. The summer party was fun. The summer parties happen in July and August. I have a collection of video games from like 2000s, early 2000s. Yeah. Some from the late 90s actually. Very few. The bookcase is raised. The bookcase is raised. Yeah. To save space. Don't spend too much time waiting at the bus stops. At the bus stops. Don't spend too much time waiting at the bus stops. Just walk. Just walk it. Don't worry about waiting. Just walk. There's no point. Just walk. Yeah, that's what I used to do. Rather than waiting, I'd walk to the next bus stop. Walk to the next bus stop, save some time. Less waiting around, a bit more exercise. Happy. Cool. So, compound words. Two nouns put together that work together as a single word. Yeah. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Bus stop. Six-pack. Six-pack of beer. Six-pack on the chest. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Town hall. Some are separate. Some have a hyphen, little dash, like a six-pack. Some are joined together. Yeah, it depends. Yeah. However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.